I'm doing a low-tech way of checking these coils using some extension leads from a Gunson set. The one in each coil so that you can see it. One at the back's actually a different colour. The blue one, the rest are red, but they're all flashing. Okay, could you just flip the throttle like you did? Right, okay, you see this one right here. Do it again. Okay, see that's the only one that stops when you just flip the throttle. Just switch the engine off for me, please. Okay, I'm going to swap these two coils over. Just do that same blip like you did before. Okay, and again. See, it's now tuned for this one, so I know it's a coil that I need. Just keeping it low tech, using the Gunson. And it helps with it being darker. Okay, that's it. Thanks for your help.